So guys, the LeetCode question that we are going to solve today is this palindrome linked list, and this question has been asked in these companies Amazon, Microsoft, Intuit and Adobe. And for this question today we are going to learn two different approaches, and the second approach is going to be the most optimized approach, so make sure to watch it till the end. Now let's see what the question is saying. So we are given a head of the list and our task is to check whether this list is palindrome or not. If this is palindrome, we will return true. If this is not, then we will return false. Now let's see the first approach. The first approach is going to be the extreme brute force approach, where we will be using a stack. What we are going to do, we will traverse the entire list, and while traversing we will push each element to the stack like this. And after pushing all the elements to the stack, we will again traverse the list from the beginning, and this time we will compare each node with the stack topmost element. And if at any point we find that the values are not matching, we will simply return false. And if all the values are matching, that means the list is a palindrome list. And the same thing we have done here in the code. What we are doing, we have a stack here, and in the first pass we are pushing all the elements to the stack. And in the second pass, what we are doing, we are again traversing the list from the beginning, and this time we are comparing all the nodes with the stack elements. And if at any point we find that the values are not matching, we are simply returning false. And if all the values are matching, finally we are returning true. Now let's see the second approach. In the second approach, we are going to use the fast and slow pointer technique to find the middle of the list. And then once we find the middle of the list, we will reverse the second half. So what we are gonna do, we will use the fast and slow pointer technique to find the middle of the list. And once we find the middle of the list, we will reverse the second half list. Okay, so this list will become like this. Okay, now we have two lists, the second half reverse and the entire list. This we can call first half. So after that, what we are gonna do, we will compare the nodes of first half with the nodes of second half. How we are gonna compare? We will compare this node with this node. We will compare this node with this node. We will compare this node with this node. If all the values are matching, that means the list is a palindrome list. And if all the values are not matching, then that means the list is not a palindrome list. And the same thing we have done here. First we have used two pointers, fast and slow pointer, to find the middle of the list like this, and then we are reversing the second half. Okay, now we have two lists, second half which is a reverse list, and the first half which is the original list. Now we are comparing the values of first half with the second half, and if at any point we find that the values are not matching, we will simply return false. And once the loop is completed, that means all the values are matching, finally we will return true. And this is how we are reversing the list. For reversing a list, I have already uploaded a dedicated video. Please go and check it out. In that video I have explained the complete dry run how to reverse a list. So that's how we can check whether a list is a palindrome list or not, with this fast and slow pointer technique and using the reverse half list strategy. And here we are not using any extra space. So this solution is an optimized solution, and I hope you got the logic now. You can take a screenshot of this code and try to do dry run by your own. And that's it for today. Share this reel with your friends who are learning DSA, and I will see you in the next video with another DSA concept.